Are you ready to get virtually organized? Hello, I'm Judi, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about virtual organizing. I'll be telling you what virtual organizing is, the benefits of virtual organizing, and who is the best candidate for virtual organizing. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Oh, before we continue, make sure you like this video. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe below. So what is virtual organizing? Virtual organizing is a shared process between a professional organizer via phone or camera or computer. And basically it is aimed to help you get organized. So what are the benefits of virtual organizing? So one of the benefits of virtual organizing is the fact that it's more affordable than traditional organizing. The reason why it's affordable is because the sessions are much smaller or shorter. So rather than a session being 4 to 8 hours, it is about an hour, sometimes to an hour and a half. There are some professional organizers who are willing to work with you longer virtually, but for the most part, the average amount of time is about an hour to an hour and a half. Therefore, the cost is less. Another great benefit to virtual organizing is skill transfer. You're able to work one-on-one with a professional organizer, therefore learn the skill of organizing. Contrary to popular belief, organizing isn't something that you're born with. I think for a lot of us, we kind of learn how to be organized at a very, very young age, but for the most part, you learn the skill. I was not born organized, but I had to be organized in order to kind of adapt and get through how I grew up. It's a skill that I've honed into, that I've learned over time, and now I've been able to have a business helping other people get organized. So it's great for those of you who would like to be organized and gain the skill of organization. I think virtual organizing will definitely be of benefit to you. And of course, it builds good habits. With repetition, with constantly working on your organizing plans, with doing the work, you're able to gain organizing habits, which in turn will help you get organized and of course, most importantly, stay organized, because that is the goal. So who are the best candidates for virtual organizing? So the best candidates for virtual organizing are individuals who are willing to do the work themselves. Because virtual organizing is virtual, therefore the professional organizer is not with you. You are alone when it comes to organizing your space, and you have to be willing to do the work by yourself. Of course, a professional organizer will provide you with advice and guide you through the process, but it's up to you to do the work yourself. Another great candidate for virtual organizing are individuals who need help on where and how to start. Another great candidate for virtual organizing are individuals who need organizing ideas. A lot of times we are bombarded with organizing ideas, whether it's through social media, through magazines, through TV shows, and we have so many organizing ideas we'd like to implement in our space, but we can't figure out the best one for our space. Through virtual organizing, professional organizers are able to help you figure out what the best organizing idea is for your space according to your lifestyle, sometimes according to your organizing style or your home decor or style. And of course, they help you get there through organizing plans they've created based off of the different organizing ideas you've provided them with. Another great candidate for virtual organizing are individuals who don't have professional organizers in their local area. Believe it or not, professional organizers aren't everywhere, and there are a lot of areas that lack professional organizers. So if you are someone who is interested in becoming a professional organizer, you should definitely start it in your city, in your area, in your town. Look it up, do some research, see if there's any in your town, and if not, you should definitely be the first one. But let's say you've come across a professional organizer via social media and you love the way she helps people get organized, her advice, her tips, and you'd like to work with her. If the professional organizer isn't in your city, they can possibly help you virtually. So maybe just reaching out to them, seeing if they can help you. A lot of professional organizers are willing to work with you, especially nowadays, because of course, social distancing is a thing. So a lot of professional organizers are starting to go virtual. So you should definitely check them out and see if they are willing to help you in your area. Another great candidate for virtual organizing are individuals that are willing to work alone, but need help, need guidance, need advice from a professional organizer. I think this is probably one of the main reasons why virtual organizing works best for certain candidates, because not only do you have to be willing to work alone or willing to do the work by yourself, you have to be willing to accept the advice and the guidance from the professional. We are here to help you get organized, and our advice and guidance is also here to get you organized. And of course, if you feel that the advice you're receiving from your professional organizer isn't aligning with what your goals are, you should definitely bring that to their attention, and then together you guys can recalibrate and figure out what the best route to take is. And last but not least, the best candidates for virtual organizing are individuals who have an organizing goal and are willing to accomplish it. At the end of the day, it's all about the actions you put forth into organizing. Of course, we can all have goals, but if there's no actions behind your goals, then you won't get it accomplished. Virtual organizing is based on your own self, it's based on your control, it's based on what you're willing to accomplish. And if your goal is to get organized and you're willing to accomplish it, you are definitely a great candidate for virtual organizing. So at the end of the day, virtual organizing is not for everyone. I repeat, virtual organizing is not for everyone. A lot of us need physical help to get our spaces organized because we are so busy with other things that the last thing we want to do is tackle our own space alone. And I get that. And it's okay. Virtual organizing is best for individuals who are willing to do the work themselves, who are willing to listen to advice, to accept guidance, who have the proper tools, because it's important that you have the proper tools for your virtual organizing sessions to go smoothly, to flow smoothly. If you don't have those tools, it's very difficult for it to happen, even though it still can happen. And of course, you have to put forth the actions to get the organizing job done. So this week I am launching virtual organizing services with Rescue My Space. So if any of you guys are interested in getting organized virtually, please check out the link below. I'd love to chat with you guys, see what spaces you need organized, possibly figure out an organizing plan, and of course work together to get your space organized. So let me know below or click that link below. All right, you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.